morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are keeping well. You have completed all the exams. Now corrections are going on. From today onwards, we will start the new lessons and be ready for the next exams also. Also, from today onwards, you have to write English and Kannada copy too. And don't keep incomplete your notes. Don't keep incomplete. So complete the notes day by day. Okay. Now in this class, I will start new lesson. A present for our grandmother. A present for the grandmother. I will read the lesson. You have to keep your finger on the reader. Keep your finger on the reader. Unit 6. Let us begin. Listen to this. A grandma is someone who's dear in every way. Her smile is like sunshine that brightens each day. Let us read a present for grandmother. Sahil and Meena, his younger sister, live in a big town. Their grandmother lives in a house on the hills. Sahil and Meena visit their grandmother every summer. Read their trip to the market one day. Grandmother, children, will you go to Mohanlal's shop for me? Meena and Sahil, together. Of course, we will, grandmother. You can walk to the shop. It's not far. Be careful when you cross the road. She gives Sahil the money and the list. They walk down the hill and reach the main road. As they cross it, they saw Mohanlal's shop. He is seated behind the counter. Sahil takes out grandmother's list from his pocket. The list: sugar 1 kg, bread 1 loaf, candles 1 packet, toothbrushes 3. Sahil, can we have 3 toothbrushes? Mohanlal, sure. Sahil, we would also like a kilogram of sugar and a loaf of bread, please. Mohanlal, here you are. That will be 29 rupees. What, Meena, what are those packets? Mohanlal, they are marigold seeds. Marigolds are bright yellow flowers. Meena, oh. Sahil, shall we buy them? It is grandmother's birthday tomorrow. Mohanlal, 1 packet cost 1 rupee. Sahil, yes, we can buy 1 packet. See, I have 5 and 1 that is 6 rupees left. Meena, it will be a good present for her. She loves to plant things in her garden. The children buy a packet for their grandmother and go home. The grandmother is very happy to get the gift. Now, children, who having grandmother, all loves their grandmother, grandparents, right? during the holidays, we used to go to our grandparents' house, right? Yes. Now here, Sahil and Meena, both brother and sister, they too went during some holidays to their grandmother's house. What happened? See, Sahil and Meena, his younger sister, lives in a big town. They were living in a big town, but their grandmother's house in a village. So all like to go to village, right? It is very happy to spend time in the village because it's calm weather, fresh air we can get in the village. There are field, mountains, like forest, different kinds of animals and field we can see in the village. Okay, not like in the town. Town opposite village. Town opposite village. Their grandmother lives in her house on the hills. She was living in the house. It was a hillside. Hills means mountains, like hills. ಗುಡ್ಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Sahil and Meena visit their grandmother every summer because during the summer we used to get summer holidays. So Meena and Sahil Meena and Sahil, they used to meet their grandmother every summer holidays. Read their trip to the market one day. One day they wanted to go to the market. So grandmother sent them to the market. Grandmother, children, will you go to Mohanlal's shop for me? Whose shop it is? Mohanlal. Right in Surathkal you can see many shops, right? One shop names are there, different shops names are there. So here one shop name is Mohanlal shop. He is the owner of that shop. So grandmother told Sahil and Meena to buy some things. So she asked them to go to the shop. Both together told, of course we will. They answered, we will go. Grandmother, you can walk to the shop. It's not far. Be careful when you cross the road. It is, shop was not far. It was walking distance. They can go by walk. So grandmother told, you can go by walk. Far opposite, near. Be careful. Careful opposite, careless. When you cross the road, vehicles are moving. So when we cross the road, we have to be careful. So same thing grandmother told to their grandchildren, to her grandchildren, that while crossing the road, be careful. So otherwise it will be accident. It will hurt you. So when crossing the road, look at that side, this side, and cross the road. She gives Sahil the money and the list. She gives money with the Sahil, and she gave a list. When your parents ask to go to the shop, they will give you money along with the list, because you do not know to say the things, how much, the quantity, what are the things. If there are many things, you will forget. So your parents or your elders, anyone, if they ask to go to the shop, they will give you the list, right? Same thing here. Grandmother asked with the Sahil, go to the shop along with the money. She gave the list also. They walked down the hill and reached the main road. They walked down from the hill. Hill is very up. Down opposite, up. They walked down from the hill and reached the main road. They reached the main road. As they crossed it, they saw Mohanlal's shop. When they crossing the road, they saw Mohanlal's shop. He is seated behind the counter. He was sitting behind the counter. Seat, past tense, seated. He was sitting behind opposite, front. Sahil takes out grandmother's list from his pocket. He took out what grandmother gave. That list he took out from his pocket. The list: sugar 1 kg, bread 1 loaf, candles 1 packet, toothbrushes 3. Toothbrush, plural, toothbrushes. Loaf, plural, loaves. Candles, singular, candle. So these the list grandmother has given to Sahil. Until here I will do the lesson. Rest of the lesson will be doing in the next class. Now homework for you. Write these words in your rough book, each word 5 times. Write today's date and write these words in your rough book, each word 5 times. grandmother, grandmother. summer, summer. hill, cross, careful, careful. seated, seated. counter, counter. So write neatly. Take out your notebook, write today's date on the margin and write the heading in the first line, a present for grandmother. Leave the line and draw the line. Roman number 1, write the opposites of younger, older, town, village, forget, remember, day, night, near, far, careful, careless, up, down. Draw the line in the center and write neatly. Behind, front, good, bad, happy, sad or unhappy, like, dislike, bright, dull. Give the past tense of reach, reached, go, went, give, gave, seat, seated, get, got, buy, bought, bring, brought, spend, spent, cross, crossed. Give the plurals of child, children, hill, hills, toothbrush, toothbrushes, pocket, pocket, packet, packets, seed, seeds, candle, candles, loaf, loaves. So write these notes in your notebook neatly. Rest of the notes will be giving in the next class. Okay, thank you.